If you're tired of bulky solar panels that just won't fit your setup, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best flexible solar panels I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Renogy 400-watt solar blanket. The Renogy 400-watt portable solar panel blanket, priced at $339.98. What caught my attention is its ultra-lightweight design and high efficiency of 25%. If you want a portable solution that doesn't compromise on power, this is worth a serious look. Now, let's talk features. The 16-fold design means it's incredibly portable, weighing only 16.1 pounds, which is 62% lighter than conventional panels. This matters for you because lugging heavy equipment around can be exhausting, especially on camping trips. Plus, the multiple installation methods let you adapt it to your needs, whether you're laying it on the ground or hanging it between trees. With 400 watts of power output, you can run devices or charge batteries efficiently, even in cloudy conditions, thanks to its top-notch 25% efficiency. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're in a pinch and need to quickly set up power for your RV or marine equipment, this blanket can deliver. It's also designed for extreme temperatures, so whether it's freezing or scorching, you can rely on it. But I'll be real with you, some users have mentioned that it doesn't come with a built-in controller, which means you'll have to invest in one separately. Now, some people might find that inconvenient, but here's the thing. If you're already setting up a solar system, having a separate controller could actually give you more control over your setup. This is perfect for you if you're frequently off-grid and need a lightweight, high-output option. Skip this one if you're looking for a complete all-in-one solution without additional purchases. For the power and convenience it offers, it's a solid value at this price. Now, if the extra costs on accessories bother you, the next one might be more straightforward for your needs. Product number 2, Bouge RV Buttle Rubber Tape. We have the Bouge RV Flexible Solar Panel Waterproof Buttle Rubber Tape at just $39.99. This product immediately caught my eye because it's essential for anyone looking to install flexible solar panels effortlessly. If you want an easy, reliable installation, this is a must-have. Here's why this tape matters for you. It's 32.8 feet long, which means you can install multiple panels without running out of tape. Its strong adhesion works well on smooth surfaces, ensuring that your panels stay put even in adverse weather. Just make sure to clean the surfaces well before application. The tape is also waterproof, which protects your installation from moisture and keeps everything secure. It simplifies the installation process significantly, allowing you to cut and stick as needed without fuss. Now, some users have noted that removing the tape later can be challenging and might leave residue behind. Here's the thing though, if you're planning a more permanent installation, that's not a deal breaker. Just plan ahead for any future removals. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a straightforward solution to install flexible panels on your RV or boat. Skip this one if you're working with rough or uneven surfaces, as it's best on smooth areas. For under $40, it's a solid addition to your solar setup. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better if you need something super lightweight. Product number 3, ViewSun 100-watt flexible solar panel. The third product is the ViewSun Flexible Solar Panel, a 2-piece 100-watt set priced at $119.99. What stood out to me is that these panels are incredibly lightweight and ultra-thin. If you want flexibility without sacrificing power, this should be on your radar. This panel uses advanced 16BB technology, which means it has a higher conversion efficiency of about 23 to 24%. This matters because it allows for better energy generation and lower light conditions, ideal for anyone who often camps under trees or in cloudy weather. They are also engineered to bend to a 30-degree arc, making them perfect for uneven surfaces like boat decks or curved RV roofs. Plus, they're waterproof and can withstand harsh environments, ensuring longevity. However, some users pointed out that while they're flexible, they need to be installed carefully to avoid damage. Here's the thing, as long as you follow the installation instructions and avoid extreme bending, you're good to go. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight panel that can fit unconventional surfaces. Skip this one if you need a high wattage solution for heavy appliances, as two 100-watt panels may not be enough for all your needs. For $120, you're getting a great balance of portability and power. Now, if you're worried about the installation process, the next option is super easy to set up. Product number 4. Top Solar 360-watt flexible panels. The Top Solar flexible solar panel, featuring a powerful 360-watt capacity and priced at $199.99. The standout feature is its ability to bend, making it perfect for curved surfaces. If you need a flexible power source for your RV or boat, this is definitely worth considering. This panel is built with high-efficiency monocrystalline cells that deliver excellent performance even in low light conditions. This is critical for you because it ensures you can still generate power when the sun isn't blazing. Weighing in at just a fraction of traditional panels, it's much easier to install without the need for heavy-duty mounting equipment. The weatherproof material protects it from the elements, which means durability is on your side. However, some reviews mentioned that the 55-inch length may not fit all installations perfectly. Here's the deal. If you have a specific space, just double-check your dimensions before purchase. This is perfect for you if you're looking to power multiple devices without the hassle of heavy setups. Skip this one if you have very tight space constraints. For the price and the wattage it offers, it's a fantastic option. If the size is what's bothering you, the final product might be exactly what you need. Product number 5. Topunev 100W Flexible Solar Panel. We have the Topunev 100W Flexible Solar Panel, priced at just $69.95. This caught my attention because it's affordable and still packs a punch. If you're on a budget but still want quality, this one is a great find. The flexible design means it can conform to various surfaces, making it perfect for marine use or even car roofs. With a conversion efficiency of up to 23%, it competes well with more expensive options. The lightweight design, only 4.4 pounds, makes it easy to handle and install. Plus, it's built to be waterproof and dustproof, offering great protection for outdoor applications. But I did find some user feedback that suggested the adhesive isn't as strong as expected. Here's the thing, if you properly prepare the surface before applying it, you can avoid that problem. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance. Skip this one if you need something that's going to remain permanently attached, as the adhesive may need reinforcement. For under $70, it's a real steal.
So, to quickly recap, the Renogy solar blanket is fantastic for portability. Bouge RV tape makes installation a breeze. The ViewSun offers unique flexibility. Top Solar provides solid performance, and the Topunev is budget-friendly. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Renogy 400-watt blanket because of its lightweight power and versatility for camping and off-grid use.